Hey there, welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. My name is Kathy. Today's video is a little different than anything I've ever done. It's a video about me. If you'd like to know a little bit about me, this will be a fun one to watch. And it's also a video about the stool. An angel wing touched it there. And on the sides. Stay tuned to find out about me and the Angel Feet Stool. She who stands for nothing will fall for anything. This video is about my trunk, all of the junk in my trunk. I like reflective glasses. Christmas music is my favorite genre. You can pick a dog, but a cat picks you. I really need to have known you 25 years before we discuss politics. If I could only have 3 spices, they would be salt, garlic, and cilantro. If you ever want to talk about junkin', estate sales, garage sales, auctions, any of them, I'm your girl to talk to. Once I learned you could block seeing people's posts on Facebook but still remain friends, my life got a whole lot better. Once upon a time, I trusted everyone until they gave me a reason not to. Now, I trust no one until they give me a reason to. I love business and everything about it. If you want to know how to be a best friend, ask Ladybug Chef. Really hate liars, and it's totally about me why I hate liars, because then they make me question everything they've ever said or done if I've known them a long time. And if I haven't known them a long time, I will question everything they say or do in the future. It's all about me. I'm worried about me and how much work you're gonna make me go through if you lie. There was a time I never, ever cussed, said a single swear word. I'm trying to mimic that time. I hate when the flowers in my garden die, but I love having a garden. If you want to know how to be someone's best friend, ask Clyde James. I completely and totally believe in karma. Just wish it was served up 15 minutes after it's due. I love all food, so fluffy I will be. The Waltons is my favorite TV show. My husband is a great man, one of the greatest men I've ever known in my life. I hate clothes shopping, so therefore all of my clothes have paint on them. have had 2 storefronts. The first one had fairy dust sprinkled on it and was kissed by angels. The second one, the devil moved in next door. I am spiritual. It's hard to be a minimalist when you have so much junk. Music is my therapy, yet I do not play a single instrument. Creativeness isn't for everyone, just like honesty. With a gallon of E6000 and every single book I have read in my life, I could build a 10-foot wall around my property. I woke up to the stool. It appears that a little angel has climbed up my stool, that one to be exact, and was singing her guts out. Most people will hang themselves if you give them enough rope. Sometimes you just need to turn on Sublime and crank it up. I am perfectly happy being a housewife with no money to call my own. I am right-handed. We have moved 6 times in the last 6 years. I could do it again. Cream and sugar for my coffee, please. My guess is those little speckles on the right leg is where her wings touched. That's why when they turn on you, it's so freaking heartbreaking. It's hard for me to get over it. I spend days and weeks sometimes trying to get over my loyalty. Supposedly such a great trait. If you thought anything in this video was directed at you, maybe it was. Thanks for watching.